Hello, welcome back. It's Justine Kincaid. This is a video in a series of videos showcasing the functionality of Desire to Learn as a learning management system. And with this week's theme being all about accessibility, what we're going to get into now is we're going to show differentiated access for quizzes and how we go about doing that. So the way that we do it is we go up to your navigation bar. You're going to click on Assessment. You're going to go to Quizzes and Exams. All right, and you can see that we have one quiz in here. So the way that we are going to edit it, again, we're going to click on the down arrow by quiz, and we are going to go up to the option that says Edit. Okay, and you have your properties, and you see these tabs across the top of your quiz options. We're going to go to the tab labeled Restrictions. Okay, and under our restrictions tabs, we're just going to do a quick discount double check and make sure that we have some settings in place. So we want to make sure that our quiz has a due date, and it does, and that it has a start date, and it has an end date. So this is when it'll start being available, this is when it'll stop being available, and this is the due date on that quiz. And we are going to keep scrolling. We want to look at that we have an enforced time limit for our students, and that time limit is 90 minutes. And then we're going to go to special access, and we're going to make sure that allow selected users special access to this quiz is checked. We are going to go to this button that says Add Users to Special Access, and we're going to click on this button. Okay, and this is what it should look like when you are going to add special access to your quiz. So these are the special access properties, and right now they are the same as the properties that you had under the restrictions folder. But we want to give these students an extra week to be able to complete their quiz. So we are going to change this to the 14th of April. We're going to leave our start date the same, but again, our end date, we're going to give our special access students until the 14th of April. For our time limit, we are going to recommend a different time limit. Actually, we're going to enforce a different time limit. Right now we have it at 90 minutes for the typical student. We are going to say 180 minutes for our students that might have special needs or disabilities where they would need some more time. And then we are going to assign a 5-minute grace period just like there was before. And we're going to keep it as we allow the student to keep working, but it will let them know that they've exceeded the time limit if they do. And then we are going to add a user. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to look specifically for a student. So we're going to look for ZZ. Scroll down. We found one student with that name. We're going to give them this special access. And you're going to click Add Special Access. So this takes you back to your restrictions tabs, and then you can scroll down and see under special access you have ZZ demo student. You could continue to do this to add more students and to give them more special access. So that's it for this video. But stay tuned because we have more videos coming on the theme of accessibility and evaluating Desire to Learn by Brightspace as a learning management system. Thank you.